My name is Rose. I'm come from Miami. Actually, I'm from Brazil, but I come to here to Istanbul, Turkey, to make my Hollywood smile, and I'm very happy to the results. Can you see? So the staff is really good. The doctor amazing. Halima, my translator, she's really good also. She's so cute, and I'm very happy. So I really recommend you guys come to here to fix your teeth like me. And if you need help, just ask me. Okay? So I'm happy. Dura Dental.